Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a government job in the income tax department, focusing on the essential steps you need to take. First, let's understand who qualifies for these rewarding roles, setting a clear foundation. We will then explore where and how to submit your application successfully. Finally, I will share powerful techniques to help you prepare effectively for the selection exams, ensuring you are fully ready. To begin, meeting the eligibility criteria is absolutely crucial. Most positions require candidates to be at least 21 years old, but typically not older than 32, though age relaxations often apply for reserved categories. You will also need to hold a bachelor's degree in any discipline from an accredited institution. Additionally, candidates must always be citizens, adhering to all national requirements for public service. Once you confirm your eligibility, the next step is the application process itself. Always monitor official government recruitment portals for new job notifications, as these are the primary sources. The application is typically submitted online, so carefully fill out every section to avoid errors. Remember to have scanned copies of your recent photograph, signature, and educational documents ready for upload. These are essential for a complete submission. After filing the initial report, law enforcement will typically conduct a thorough interview to understand the situation fully. They will then formally file the missing person report, initiating their investigative procedures without delay. It is important to remain patient and cooperative, as you may be asked to provide additional details or follow specific instructions. Maintaining consistent communication with the investigating officer will greatly assist their efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.